Well, just open it, but got a little problem over here. Let me turn it around. So apparently this is the automatic movement, and as I could, with the motion, it's supposed to wind. I could feel the thing that's supposed to be winding up over here, and apparently that it's not moving. I tried it to wind it manually and see if that would work. So let me use the thing over here to kind of like just to hold it a little bit, the position. It's difficult to do a recording with the hand and things like that. Still not moving. I got a little problem with this. Tried to wind it, but it's not moving.